Good afternoon, Ashok Sahuji. Welcome to Haridwar University. So today is the great day for all of us because we have done the beautiful MOU with L&T EduTech. So tell us how it will be beneficial to Haridwar University students and what is basically objective of L&T EduTech program.
First of all, let me thank the entire leadership of Haridwar University for inviting us over here. You asked a very valid question. It's a two-way process, right? Like universities are always looking, for example, where they can place the student, they can get a meaningful career. And also, for example, industry is also looking for example, well-trained talent for them. So it's a problem that we intend to solve at both the ends. So that's what the objective is. So while we currently understand university like Haridwar University are doing their best, they have the faculty, they have the curriculum, they have pedagogy, but there are certain areas, right, which we believe as an industry we can come and contribute. Areas could be like, how do we give industrial application oriented learning to the student? How do they, whatever they learn in the classroom get transferred, for example, how they have been, practiced in the industry. So that is the academic gap that we intend to, for example, close by this particular partnership. And why we have chosen Haridwar University? Because we believe, for example, the entire leadership of Haridwar University are very progressive in their nature. They have a very futuristic mindset, and it fits into the, for example, of the objective of a company like L&T EduTech. That's the reason we are over here.
Mr. Sahu, thank you for the beautiful answer. So basically tell us some words how it will be helpful in placements.
See, I think that's a really good question, because a lot of students who intend to get part of this industry-oriented course, one of the concerns they have is around how, for example, this program is going to help them in getting a meaningful placement. Now, what we try to do, for example, as I said, L&T, for example, has a formidable experience in all the areas of engineering that it works. So whether it's a core engineering or IT or computer science. What we try to train the student is on the industry 4.0 skilling. So that's what we believe is the demand of today. So if you look at across all the opportunity which is coming up, everybody's trying to look for talent which has understanding and a deep expertise and well equipped in this industry 4.0 skills. And that is what we try to provide. So that is point one. And number two, as a part of the entire partnership that we have signed with Haridwar University, L&T also, for example, commit itself to come for the placement through its own group company and some of the partner company to the student who have really successfully completed the program.
So how the L&T will help our student in internship and the industry-oriented training?
See, as I said, one other thing in this integrated program, we have inbuilt in three large things. One, where we are saying, for example, some of our experts will come to your classroom to deliver some of the classes. That is one part of it. Second, we have this something called industry immersion program. Now, what happens in the industry immersion program, while for core engineering, there are a lot of things that you can teach right in the classroom, but a lot of things, for example, students can only learn when they experience it live. So what we do after the end of even semesters and within the summer break, we will take your core engineering student to L&T project site. So where they will be visiting, for example, our project site for a day or two, where on-ground project manager will tell them, for example, what are the things that they're doing in this project site, will take them to the industry best practices. So that's the one part. And in the 8th semester, some of the select students, right, who do an exceptionally well in the L&T courses, will also give them an industry, internship opportunity across the country. So that's what we try to bring into this program.
Okay, thank you. So tell me about the course contents of the courses. What type of courses the L&T faculty will teach?
See, what we have done. So first and foremost thing is how the course has been built and who has built these courses. So this entire course has been built on two areas. One, we look forward from each and every domain, like in civil, electrical, mechanical. What are the jobs that are going roles which are coming up in next 3 to 4 years, right? And those job roles, we attach them, align them to our industry skills. Those skills have been brought into the courses. So what we have done, looking at the futuristic job roles in each of the domains, we have find out the skill has got converted into our courses. Now all these courses that we intend to offer at Haridwar University have been designed by engineers who have worked and spent considerable amount of time in L&T and who have great experience in delivering some of the market projects. So it's the L&T practitioners who have the vision, what kind of job roles, then what kind of skills that are required, and convert it into the course, and the same L&T expert will come and deliver these courses in your classroom.
So my question is, why the student opt L&T EduTech program?
See, one of the things, for example, is an industry-oriented program, right? So they are able to see, for example, if today I go to university, learn everything from a university, there's certain value and the learning that happens. But when the program is done in association with the industry partner and the partner like a L&T, the learning becomes to a next level. right? Where they can go and confidently talk about the learnings they have to any employer, right? And it creates a huge competitive advantage over student who only learn from university system. So here they're learning from one of the really good universities like Haridwar University, or and above they're learning from one of the top engineering company like L&T. So combining the skill that they gain, they give them a huge competitive advantage over their peer students.
Okay. What about the faculty who will teach the subjects?
So as I said, like these are the L&T practitioners who have built the course, who have got considerable industry experience, who have built this course. The same set of people who have built the course will be coming over for delivering these classes in your classrooms.
Okay. So how you see the career path of the students, those of the L&T EduTech program?
See, one of the things that we say, for example, all the courses that we have designed and what are the skill set that we intend to provide are absolutely futuristic, whether it's industrial IoT, digital manufacturing, or it's like full stack developer and all this, right? The first and foremost in the career of these people are in all emerging technologies. So that's one, which is rapidly and fast growing. So these people can expect a career which is much faster or better than some of the other students and in the emerging technologies.
Can you elaborate about the L&T EduTech program? Why it is started basically?
So the idea of when we started this L&T EduTech 3 years before, so because L&T is one of the largest hire of student, right? It goes to 270 to 300 campuses across the country and is trying to hire. And what we saw, for example, what the students are learning, though we really appreciate what they're learning, but there is a considerable gap in what they're learning in the colleges or universities, what the industry are expecting in terms of a talent. So we thought, since we are one of the largest recruiters, right? Why don't, for example, we start something that will help all these universities, in building the competency within themselves. Plus, we bring the right kind of a talent to the student so that tomorrow when he goes to the industry, it becomes extremely employable.
So thank you, Mr. Sahu, for these words. I'm very much sure that Haridwar University will do wonderful for the students and in making their careers. So thank you so much.
We are honored for this particular partnership. Thank you very much.